Hello everyone, I am Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss fillet command, chamfer command. So let's start with fillet command. You can see I have drawn two geometry over here and we are going to create fillet on these corners. There are three methods available you can use to create a fillet. The methods are normal method, trim method and polyline method. So let's start with normal method. To choose fillet command, go to modify toolbar and here choose fillet or simply press F and then press enter. Now you can see the radius is here 0, so you have to change the radius, otherwise it will continue with the previous input you have entered while using fillet command. So to change the radius, press R and then press enter. Now input the radius value, say 2 unit, press 2 and then press enter. Now select the first object and then the second object. You can see the fillet is created over here. Let's do it again. Choose fillet command, press F, then press enter. Specify the radius, press R, then press enter. Put the radius value, say 3, press enter. Select the first object, select the second object. You can see the fillets are created. Basically, after using fillet, we have to trim these parts. Then we have to use trim command and have to trim these parts. But we can do it while using fillet command. So let's see how to do that. This is the next method of fillet command, which is called trim method. So let's see what is that. Choose fillet command first. To specify the radius, press R, then press enter. Say the radius is 2 unit again, press 2, then press enter. Now before selecting the objects, to choose trim, press T, then press enter. Now you can see here is two options available. One is trim and the another one is no trim. So if you want to choose trim with fillet, then choose trim, otherwise choose no trim. Let's go with trim, press T and then press enter. Now it's time for selecting the objects. Select the first one and then the second one. Now let's see again. Choose fillet command, specify the radius, toggle between trim and no trim. Here you can see. Now select the objects. Now let's talk about the last method of creating a fillet, which is polyline fillet. You can see I have drawn a polyline here. There is no longer two objects available, so we have to use polyline fillet to create a fillet over a polyline corner. Let's see how to do that. Choose fillet command, specify the radius. Before selecting the objects, choose polyline, type P and then press enter. Now select this 2D polyline. Here you can see. You don't have to select two other objects because you are using polyline fillet. Let's see the dimension. Here you can see we have entered 2 unit of radius. That's why it is showing radius 2. So that's all about fillet command. Now let's talk about chamfer command. There is two methods available you can use to create a chamfer, and the methods are distance method and angle method. I'm using the same geometry, so let's go with chamfer command. To choose chamfer command, go to modify toolbar and here choose chamfer, or simply press CHA and then press enter. Now we have to specify the distance, otherwise it will go with the previous input you have entered while using the chamfer. So to choose the distance, press D and then press enter. Now we have to specify the first chamfer distance. Say 2 unit, press 2, then press enter. Now it's asking for the second chamfer distance. Say this is 1.5 and then press enter. Now we have to specify the lines. Specify the line according to your input, otherwise it will get inverted. So let's choose this one first and this one second. Now let's see the dimensions. You can see this is 2 unit and this one is 1.5 unit. Let's do it again. We are using distance method to create the chamfer. So let's choose chamfer command first. CHA, press enter, press D, then press enter. Specify the first distance, specify the second distance. Choose the line. You can see the line is no longer available because we are using 3 unit of distance. So be careful and choose the objects according to your input. Now let's talk about the next method, which is angle method. First choose chamfer command, press CHA, then press enter. To choose angle method, press A and then press enter. Now we have to specify the first chamfer distance, say 2 unit, press enter. Now we have to specify the angle from the first chamfer distance, say the angle is 30 degree, press enter. Now select the first line and the second line. You can see the chamfer is created over here. Let's check the dimension. You can see this is 2 unit and the angular is this is 150. So this angle is 30 degree. Now let's see it again. Choose chamfer command, type A to choose angle method, specify the first chamfer distance. Now specify the angle, say the angle is 45 degree, press enter. Now select the first object and then the second object. You can see the chamfer is created. Now let's talk about polyline chamfer. You can see I have drawn a polyline over here. So let's see what is polyline chamfer is. Choose chamfer command first. Now specify the distance, press D and then press enter. Choose the first chamfer distance, say 2 unit. Choose the second chamfer distance, say 2 unit. press enter. Now to choose polyline chamfer, press P and then press enter. Now select this polyline. You can see we don't have to select two other objects. The polyline chamfer is created. Now let's see. Can we use the chamfer command without trim? Choose chamfer command first. Now see, here is trim option is available. So let's see. To choose the distance, press D, then press enter. Specify the first distance, specify the second distance. Now to choose trim and no trim, press T and then press enter. Now we can see as fillet, here is also two options available. As fillet, here is also two options is available, trim and no trim. We have done the previous chamfers using trim mode, so the corners are automatically trimmed. Let's see if we use no trim, then what's happen. Select this one and select this one. Here you can see it is not trimmed. So as per your need, toggle between trim and no trim. So this is all about fillet and chamfer command. If you have any query, then let me know in comments. If you like my video, give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for another updates. Thank you.